In this video, I'll show you how to report a Facebook account for harassment. So you need to report the Facebook account, and you also need to report their Messenger account. So to report their Facebook account, press on the three dots to the right of the message button, just here, and you should see the very top option says report profile. Press that, and then you'll see the second option down, bullying, harassment or abuse. That's why you want to report this profile. And then choose the last option, bullying or harassment, and then Facebook will ask you who's being harassed, so you can select you, a friend, or someone that you don't know. So in this case, just press you, and then Facebook will generate your report details. So when you're happy at the bottom, you just press submit. So now that we've reported the profile, we need to come to Messenger and do the same thing. So open up Messenger and find the person, and then press on the eye in the top right. From here, scroll down to the very bottom, you'll see a report button. So do the same thing again, harassment, and then submit your report. So that's how to report a Facebook account for harassment. Thank you for watching.